Most people still think you need a massive desktop tower to get real power for gaming, content creation, or professional work. That used to be true, not anymore. In 2026, performance laptops have evolved to the point where they don't just compete with desktops, they replace them. We're talking about desktop-class CPUs, powerful GPUs, ultra-fast memory, and advanced cooling systems packed into machines you can carry anywhere. No bulky setup, no being tied to one desk, just pure performance wherever you go. These aren't regular laptops, these are desktop killers. Today, we're counting down 7 powerful laptops that can completely replace your PC in 2026, delivering insane speed, serious performance, and the reliability needed for gaming, productivity, and heavy workloads. All product links are in the description. Let's begin. Number 7. HP Victus 15. The HP Victus 15 from HP is equipped with modern Intel Core processors and NVIDIA RTX graphics, delivering strong performance for AAA gaming, multitasking, content creation, and everyday productivity. It features a high refresh rate Full HD display that provides smooth visuals and responsive performance. With fast NVMe SSD storage, applications load quickly, and system responsiveness remains consistent under heavy workloads. The RAM is upgradable, allowing users to improve performance over time. The cooling system is designed to maintain stable temperatures during extended gaming and demanding tasks, ensuring reliable performance. The HP Victus 15 is an excellent choice for users who want dependable desktop-level performance in a portable system. Number 6. Dell G15. The Dell G15 from Dell delivers powerful performance with high-efficiency Intel Core and AMD Ryzen processors paired with NVIDIA RTX graphics. This combination allows the laptop to handle modern games, video editing, multitasking, and professional workloads efficiently. It features a high refresh rate display that improves motion clarity and responsiveness, especially during gaming and creative work. Fast SSD storage ensures quick boot times and fast file access, while the advanced cooling system maintains consistent performance under load. The Dell G15 is a reliable desktop replacement for users who need consistent power for both work and gaming.
Number 5. Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 from Acer continues to be one of the strongest performance laptops in its category. It combines powerful processors with RTX graphics, allowing it to run modern games, editing software, and heavy multitasking workloads smoothly. The Full HD IPS high refresh rate display delivers clear visuals and fluid motion. With Gen 4 SSD support and upgradable RAM, users can expand performance as needed. Its dual-fan cooling system keeps temperatures controlled during extended sessions. The Acer Nitro 5 delivers the performance needed to replace most desktop PCs. Number 4. MSI Thin GF63. The MSI Thin GF63 from MSI combines portability with strong performance. It features Intel Core processors and RTX graphics capable of handling gaming, productivity, and creative workloads. The high refresh rate display ensures smooth performance, while fast SSD storage improves system speed and responsiveness. Its Cooler Boost cooling system allows the laptop to maintain stable performance during demanding tasks. The MSI Thin GF63 is ideal for users who want a lightweight system capable of replacing their desktop. Number 3. Lenovo LOQ15. The Lenovo LOQ15 from Lenovo delivers performance based on Lenovo's premium gaming architecture. It features powerful processors, RTX graphics, and fast DDR5 memory. The laptop includes a mux switch and performance optimization features that improve gaming performance and efficiency. The high refresh rate display provides smooth visuals, while the advanced cooling system ensures stability during heavy workloads. The Lenovo LOQ15 is a strong desktop replacement for gaming and professional use.
Number 2. ASUS TUF Gaming A15. The ASUS TUF Gaming A15 from ASUS is powered by AMD Ryzen processors and NVIDIA RTX graphics, delivering consistent and reliable performance across gaming and productivity tasks. It features fast DDR5 memory and PCIe SSD storage for improved speed and responsiveness. The high refresh rate display enhances visual smoothness, and the dual-fan cooling system maintains stable performance. Its durable build quality ensures long-term reliability. The ASUS TUF A15 is designed to fully replace traditional desktop systems. Number 1. Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 delivers the highest level of performance in this category. It combines high-performance processors, RTX graphics, fast memory, and advanced cooling. The MUX switch improves GPU performance, while the high refresh rate display delivers smooth and responsive visuals. This laptop handles AAA gaming, video editing, streaming, and professional workloads without performance issues. Fast SSD storage ensures quick load times and system responsiveness. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a complete desktop replacement for users who need maximum performance. Final verdict. Modern performance laptops have reached a level where they can fully replace traditional desktop PCs for most users. They provide the power needed for gaining, productivity, and professional workloads in a portable and efficient form. Each laptop on this list delivers strong performance, upgrade potential, and long-term reliability. Choosing any of these laptops will allow you to replace your desktop PC with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all products.